we are discussing how a company leverages Azure Services and Power BI to enhance their data utilization and decision-making processes. So I'm joined by Sri as usual. So Sri, can you give us an overview of what this done?
Hi Maheshi, thanks for the opportunity again. This is an Australian client. This client use an inspection and management tools to collect hygiene related data through their surveys. These surveys include various questions type yes or no and multiple sections. To make those most of this data, we develop a solution using Azure Services to extract and transform the data into Azure SQL data warehouses.
That sounds like a very smart move. So what were the key benefits of integrating this inspection tool with Azure and Power BI?
The integration allowed the company to store and organize their data efficiently through better data utilization. By visualizing this data with Power BI dashboards, they gained valuable insight that significantly improved decision making and operational efficiency.
Impressive. Can you explain how the client uses the solution for their daily operations?
Yes, of course. The insight obtained from the data warehouse are clearly visualized in the dashboards we build using by Power BI. This means client can just look at results of audits, find the trends, and use data to make decisions that will improve how much work they get done. In the work used to be done by hand, which was slow and with much mistakes. Now it's done in a much better way, that faster and no mistakes at all.
I think it's incredible of how technology can transform business processes. So thanks Sri for sharing this case study with us. For more quick insights like this, be sure to follow our page, stay tuned for more 4-minute tech talks, and see you in the next video. And if you would like to see how your company can benefit from data analytics and customized dashboards, contact us for a free consultancy session. Thank you.
Thank you.